Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. So before we even start, this week we're going to have a very nice, a very good winning streak. So we say that before we even start trading. So we have a plan, guys. If you lost, if you like missed you changed your trading plan, or maybe you made some mistake with your trading plan that made you to lose, it's time for you to go down, have some notes, do something to improve from that. This is a new week. Things they're not going to be the same as last week. We understand that maybe the market was just selling off, but the structure that we're going to see this week is going to be different. So you should understand that, and you should see that, you see. So when you see and start to think in a different way, it doesn't matter whether you're lost for months, for a year, this is going to be a new day. And tell yourself that this is a new day. I'm going to apply whatever that I'm supposed to apply. I hope you're listening to that. I hope you're listening to that. So I will just start with US oil. US oil has been selling off for some time now. So what do we see? Firstly, for you to enjoy, you just have to identify the trend first. The trend was going up. Before here, the market was just creating this type of moves. So this was like a very strong uptrend, and it was very steep uptrend. That's why we see the market going down. Yes, there are some economic news that you're supposed to watch or check because they also affect the market. So if you did check that, you will understand why the market is going lower. But what I love is when you do proper technical analysis like this, it doesn't matter whether you watched the news or what, because the market will most likely respect your support areas or your trend line, you see. So here we have this strong support. We see that even now here, the market is respecting that area, which is a good thing, because it makes sense that, okay, it means whatever that we tried to draw here, since this is a daily time frame, it does make sense. I see there is 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks which respected this area, and we have like a sort of a fake breakout, and we see that the market is now above that. So it means for you to say you want to buy, you should have or apply your strategy from here. You can go to a bit smaller time frame and see, and if that is confirming with whatever that you follow, it's where you can enter. But for now, on my side, since we are respecting this support, we expect the market to recover. So let me see if maybe I can get something, maybe sort of an entry that I can use or that I can show you. So here I don't see anything that I can say this is it's a very nice entry. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my strategy, which is something like this. You see that really worked before, but the market broke that. The market broke here. It's coming back again, and when I check, it's on the same level as my support. It means this is not going to work for now. We need to have another one. Since the market respected that area, it means we can just check and say, you know what, when the market breaks this area, it's where we're going to buy. At the moment, we can say, you see this area, if we break this area, I see this area here. If I draw something here, you will see that that is just a zone where the market respected, and from this area we see that the market never broke that. So which means now we come in with a plan for a very nice entry. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a zone there. You see there around this area, you can see that, you see this area. I'm just going to continue going to the right. You see that obviously there's this area, this is a zone, this area, this is a zone, this area, and this area, which makes this thing a very nice and perfect resistance. So it means for us to buy, we need to get over that. We need to break that area, and when we break this area, we can say we're going to buy. I understand some they can buy here and still make profit, but there's possibility that the market can still push lower. But just imagine when you got the market around above this area and the market keep pushing up. The fact is here, or the point is not to get in early in the market, but to get in on the right time. I hope you listened to that clearly. Get on the market and at the right time, not early, like where the market is still here, because there's possibility that the market can still push lower. Why? Because we're still under this bearish momentum, and if we draw the one that you saw on top, you can see that we're still under that bearish momentum. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Let's grow the channel, guys. And also thanks to everyone who already subscribed. You see, who already subscribed. You guys make this channel to fly with flying colors. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, I think on oil you saw what's really happening. I hope you understand. I hope you're going to apply your rules there. Then you don't just jump on the market. Why? Because I don't want you to lose, guys. Losing in the market is a very, very painful thing, especially when you don't know what to do. But if you know what to do, it's much better than someone who doesn't know anything. Because if I lose now, I might stress, but my stress is not that crazy, because I know that, okay, for me to get things right, I must do 1, 2, 3 to get back on track. I hope you understand that. So let's go to the next one, which is gold. So here is a daily time frame. So I just did some sort of like different analysis here. So what I see is we had some like before, let me just throw this before here. We had some sort of, no, okay, let me just leave that like that. So what is happening at the moment is we have a support area. Why we say it's a support area? We have the market come in and respect this area. I wanted to talk about this area here, but I see it's no longer connecting with whatever that we want to say. So look at this area. It just connects nicely with whatever that we do now. Guys, it's raining. I don't know if maybe you're going to hear the noise, but if you hear that, it's a rain. It's a rain. Everyone knows rain. So what is happening here is we have this support areas here. We have this support area here. Even though the market went up, or some they're going to say maybe the market created something like this. Some they will call head and shoulder, something like that. But as I do my like trends line, I was just going to follow nicely my trends. So here it was a downtrend, boom, the market broke out of that. Now the market pushed higher. This was like very crazy steep. Market is not easy to enter this one here. So, but if you don't mind, maybe on a bit small time frame, we're going to get this points here, but not every time. I remember we also drawn something like that. So yeah, but when the market comes back again, it's going to come and just look what happened here. And look what happened here. The market went up nicely, then just cancelled everything. And the market still did the similar move. Look at this here and look at this here. I hope you see that. And that is just a repetition of what happened on our left side. So for now, for us to say maybe we want to buy, or to want to sell, we have to think twice and say, you know what, we have to remember that we still have the support area. We have the support area here, which means mostly the market will push up. The market will push up. Then after the rain is it's really raining. I'm trying to make sure that maybe you can hear me clearly. I'm just shouting at the moment. So we have a support area which will push the market higher, as we see on previous areas. So for us to say we need to buy, we can wait for the market to break this area and say we can buy. We can wait for a retest, or if the market is going to come back here, we just need to wait and see if this support is going to be broken. And if that is broken, it means we just going to wait for a retest, then we can keep selling. I hope you understand that, and I hope you still hear me nicely, because like it's really like seriously raining. So let's go to US30, because I can't restart the video as long as you can hear my voice, guys. Everyone knows rain. So on NASDAQ, or sorry, on US30, we see that I can't go back that much. I can even use 4-hour time frame. You can see that previously the market was just pushing up. We had this crazy, very strong support area, sorry, a trend line. So it seems like the market wants to come back around these areas. It seems like, oh, we can say the market reached that area. Do you see that? Do you see this? The market actually came back around those areas, and there the market is now pushing up. You see, do you see that? I see that the market is now creating some. Okay, I did not see that. So let's see what's really happening here. Actually, the market was just going down, and we call that a downtrend. And it's not surprising, because the market was like very high. Then now the market is trying to create what? A downtrend. You see that? This is a downtrend, which means if you follow the rules, you are not going to buy around this area. Why? Because the market is just going down. You see? Then to show again that, you know what, I'm very strong on this bearish, you saw that that bearish momentum or that support was also broken, and the market is now creating another bearish momentum. So it means for us to say we need to buy, let's see the market going above this resistance, and we can say we're going to buy. Or maybe the market is just going to create something like this. The market might create something like this going further. The market might create something like this, you see. And those who sell, yes, they can sell, because this is a very strong downtrend. Actually, this is a very strong uptrend. So which means the market is now, which means the market is still respecting the bearish momentum. For us to buy, let's get out of this, then we can say now maybe it's our time to do what? To buy. But at the moment we're still under bearish. There's nothing that we can do, because mostly you can see the market tried to push up, respected this area, came back, respected this area. So it means here there's possibility that the market can still push lower. So it means be careful from tomorrow. Sorry. Be careful from tomorrow. I hope you understand that. I hope I did not break my microphone. So make sure that you follow this trend line, because they will easily show you what's really happening. They will easily show you what's really happening. I hope you see the bigger picture there. So let's go straight to NASDAQ. So on NASDAQ, I just wanted to show you something very nicely. I hope you see this. This is some advanced stuff. So before we had a very nice uptrend, but during that uptrend, we had some counter trend line, which means the market keeps going up on top of that uptrend. Then the market tried to sell off, but kept going up. So the market came back and came back again. Instead of it respecting our support area, the market just crashed that support area, which means it's a confirmation that, you know what, the market is now on a very strong sell. Even if we saw that before, we see the market was just sort of consolidating, but when we check the support area, it was still there. The support area was still there. So which means now you see that the market actually, after breaking that, let me just remove, after breaking this resistance, the market came back and retested. Just look, retested several times, then the market pushed lower. You see. So for us to say maybe we want to buy, we were just going to wait for the market to come up above this area, then we're going to say we need to buy. So let me remove this, and so that you can see what's really happening. So now we have our current chart like this, you see. So it means we are on a downtrend. We are on a downtrend, and again that downtrend broke the support again and moved lower, you see. So, and it seems like the market is coming back to respect that previous support. It means it might keep pushing lower and lower. I hope you understand that. So for us to say we want to buy, we can say no, even if the market comes above this area, it's not supposed to be a buy, unless if the market change the structure. We can draw our thing and say, you know what, the market is now changing the structure. But at the moment, the market is just showing us that it's coming back to respect the resistance. So there is possibility that the market is supposed to push lower. I hope you see that. So please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yeah, I think for today it's enough. Please guys, tomorrow don't forget to come and watch my daily analysis, and just to continue what's really happening. Maybe we will see the changes, because at the moment we can't say there is something changed. Everything still as what you saw on Friday. So tomorrow, please don't forget to come and check. I will just do that as early as possible to see if the market is going to respect this resistance. If it's not going to be respected, it means the market can keep pushing up, but we will see if the market is going to respect this area. But before the market reach that area, it makes we have to find a structure. The market has to give us a structure that we can follow, and we can just keep buying when it goes up. I hope you understand that, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to talk to me, if you want to subscribe on my VIP channel, check my description. You will find my contacts there, and from those contacts you can just talk to me, then I can able to help you. I hope you had everything nicely. So yeah, let's call this a day.